Basahin yan, sariyan na sarang inyong mga nga half Filipino, half Filipino nga higala. Ang inyong na Bisayan, Jolena Balalang, super kalamisyon ba ihana, aba single lang yung hapon. And welcome to my Selflove channel! Like na self-love video na sarang yung makita karon, and in today's video, I'm going to share what I have learned in my Japanese class. Self-love means taking care of our mental health, and studying a foreign language is one way of having a healthy mind. Disclaimer lang, I created this video not to teach but to share what I have learned in my Japanese class. In today's episode, I'm going to share ero-ero na aisatsu, or different Japanese greetings. In making a formal greeting, it's proper to stop and bow. Now, let's start with morning greetings. Good morning in Japanese means Ohayo. Ohayo. But when you're talking with superiors, you need to add gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Now, let's have the daytime greeting. Konnichiwa. In English, konnichiwa means good afternoon. It also means hi or hello. Konnichiwa! Now let's have the evening or night greetings. Good evening in Japanese means konbanwa. 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 When you're going to bed, you say oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi nasai. Or you can also say oyasumi. Oyasumi nasai means good night. Oyasumi nasai. Again, good morning is Ohayo gozaimasu. Good afternoon is konnichiwa. Good evening is konbanwa. Good night is oyasumi nasai. Ohayo gozaimasu, konnichiwa, konbanwa, oyasumi nasai. How are you in Japanese is o genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? When someone asks you this question, your answer should be hi, genki desu. Hi, genki desu. Hi, genki desu. Hi means yes. Genki desu, I'm good. Genki desu ka? Hi, genki desu. When it's your first time to meet the person, you say, Hajimemashite, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Hajimemashite, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Hajimemashite, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. In English, it means nice to meet you. Hajimemashite, kochira koso douzo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. When you're late for an appointment, you say omatase shimashita. Omatase shimashita. Omatase shimashita. Omatase shimashita. Because Japanese are very polite, they always say iie. Iie. Iie literally means oh no, or it's not a problem, don't worry. Omatase shimashita. Iie. Now let's talk about the phrases used when leaving work. Osaki ni shitsure shimasu. Osaki ni shitsure shimasu. Osaki ni shitsure shimasu. Osaki ni shitsure shimasu. Osaki ni shitsure shimasu in English means sorry to leave ahead of you. And your answer is otsukare sama deshita. Otsukare sama deshita. Otsukare sama deshita. Otsukare sama deshita. Otsukare sama deshita means good work today. Osaki ni shitsure shimasu. Otsukare sama deshita. Saying goodbye in Japanese is sayonara. Sayonara. You can also use ja mata when saying goodbye to a friend. Sayonara. Ja mata. When you're about to leave your house, you say itekimasu. 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 And your answer is itterashai. Itterashai. Itekimasu. Itterashai. When you arrive home, you say tadaima. 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 And your answer should be okairi. 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 But when talking with a superior, you need to add nasai. Okairi nasai. Okairi nasai. Okairi nasai. Tadaima, okairi nasai. Ittekimasu. Itterashai. Tadaima, okairi nasai. When apologizing, you say gomenasai. 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 Also, you can use sumimasen. 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 Sumimasen also means excuse me. Sumimasen. Toire wa doko desu ka? In giving congratulations, you say omedetou gozaimasu. Omedetou gozaimasu. Omedetou gozaimasu. When you want to greet someone a happy birthday, you say otanjoubi omedetou gozaimasu. Otanjoubi omedetou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu in English means thank you very much. Omedetou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Now let's have the phrases to be used during mealtime. Before a meal, you say itadakimasu. 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 Itadakimasu means let's eat. Itadakimasu. After a meal, you say gochisousama deshita. Gochisousama deshita. Gochisousama deshita. Gochisousama deshita means thank you for a good meal. Itadakimasu. Gochisousama deshita. I hope nag-enjoy mo sa akong video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and if you have suggestions or mga ideas kung saan pagmakita ang self-love, please comment down below para ato pa-discuss sa itong mga umaabot ng mga videos. And mga pasayanyans, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-update ka sa akong mga latest na mga videos. And also, please follow me on my Facebook page, the Jolena Balaling page, my Twitter account na J Balaling, and sa akong TikTok, ang Instagram account is Jolena Balaling. Mga pasayanyans, always remember that learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all. See you!